everybody, and a warm welcome to my channel, Tarot by Izabela. I am very happy to see you here, and I hope you all doing fine, even if we live in quite turbulent times for the moment. Today's video will be a quick draw video on bird flu. And a lot of you viewers have sent me mails asking for me to do a reading about bird flu. And there are some countries that are preparing the citizens for this horrific pandemic of a bird flu that will also affect people. And there are some shots being prepared to give to the citizens. So, is there a big bird flu pandemic coming in? And well, we'll see what the cards have to say about that. And millions of birds have been put down for the suspicion of a bird flu. Also making the prices go up on meat and eggs and so on. But let's see what the cards have to say. First, I need to shuffle my cards a little bit on the question of bird flu. Is there a new bird flu pandemic coming in? Is it something we would need to be worried about? Bird flu. Want to come? Take that one. Oops. And some dice. And the cards, they look like this. Let's see what we got here. In the tarot cards, we have the Lovers, 5 of Cups, the Empress, 8 of Cups, and the Star. On the Oracle cards, we have Balance, a Stork, a beautiful half-naked lady, House, Discovering Truth, you stand in the light of truth. And on the dice we have a person reading a book or a newspaper, War, and Timidly. Well, what does the cards want to say? In the center we have an Empress and a beautiful lady. This is a war, the evil ones, because below that we have the dice of war. A war on nature, on war on fertility, a war on things that grows and lives. So there is a war going on. And this so-called bird flu It's a kind of war against living creatures and the planet Earth in itself, yeah. But also war on fertility, yeah, in one way or another. During this so-called bird flu that they want to scare people with, or they want to some kind, we'll say, release it, or it will grow in somehow. They want to take away the birds. And since it is a war, and eggs, and bird meat is high in protein and quite good food source, they want to have some kind of war on that. If they're gonna succeed, no, they will not. They will put down the bird flu project. It will disappear into nothing. They will have to move on from the bird flu. Why? Because the truth is coming up. And we have the stars, so it could also be that our galactic brothers and sisters from different planets or different dimensions are helping us to restore the balance, the first card, balance. People will read about the horrific bird flu that killing birds and it's very dangerous and so on. But they will also read the truth. So even if they're going to push a lot of bird flu on people, there will be some kind of contra-action against that. And people will not be intimidated so easily this time. Yeah. So according to the cards, it looks like there will be some kind of push for bird flu, and it is some kind of war on fertility, on the living. They want to bury as much birds as they can, but they will not succeed. So that project will disappear, will not be so actual. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna take 3 more cards if it's something we have to worry about, if they will cause us big problems. This bird flu thing that is beginning to circulate. So let's take 3 more cards. Is it something we should be worried about? Is there something we should be worried about? We have the 6 of coins, we have 7 of swords, and we have the justice. According to the cards, we should try to be as balanced as possible. We should not worry too much. And even if we should not worry, of course people still will be a lot of worried and depression and nerves, 7 of swords. But that will not be for long term, because the justice, the balance is stepping in, and there will not be a big horrific bird flu pandemic all around our planet, no. And there is a lot of money in circulation to create these worries, this depression, this anxiety. But again, as the last card, we have the justice. and justice will take care of this, and it will be balanced out and not allowed to become a very big, scary and dangerous thing. Yeah. Well, that was my answers for bird flu. And if you have liked what you have seen and heard, please don't forget to press like button, share button and subscription button. And to all of you wonderful viewers out there, take care, be strong, open your eyes, and don't try not to live in fear. Try to live as healthy as possible and take care of your soul and your body. And I want to thank you so much for watching, and hopefully we're gonna see each other soon again. Bye bye.